In this tutorial, we'll show you how to prepare the H200 GPU and install the water block step by step. Start by inspecting the GPU for any visible damage. Remove the NV-link cover. Next, remove the 8 Torx T9 screws from the back of the card. Then remove the 4 Torx T9 screws securing the I/O shield. Lift off the I/O shield, followed by the GPU cover. Remove the 2 Phillips screws holding the power connector bracket. Using a plastic spudger, carefully lift and remove the power connector bracket. Now remove the 3 Torx T6 screws securing the PCB. Gently lift the PCB together with the stock cooler, tilting it away from the back cover. Push the power connector out of the opening, then carefully slide the PCB and stock cooler assembly out of the back cover. Remove the 4 Torx T10 screws holding the retention bracket. Always loosen them in a cross pattern. While removing these screws, gently press down on the retention bracket to prevent it from shifting or springing off. Continue loosening the screws gradually, alternating between them to release the mounting pressure evenly. Using a plastic spudger, carefully separate the PCB from the stock cooler. Clean away all thermal paste using wipes, cotton swabs, and isopropyl alcohol. Take your time during this process. Avoid excessive force or pressure. Begin cleaning from the center of the PCB and gradually work your way outward. Take extra care during this step to avoid damaging the components surrounding the GPU die. Some thermal paste residue may remain along the edges. Use a plastic spudger to remove any remaining thermal paste material from the sides. Take extra care when cleaning these sections. Excessive force may damage nearby electronic components. A small amount of residual thermal paste may remain in these areas as long as it does not protrude above the level of the GPU die. Once everything is clean, remove any leftover thermal pad residue. Perform a final cleaning of all contact surfaces. Your H200 GPU is now fully prepared for water block installation. Cut the supplied thermal pads according to the installation guide. Apply each thermal pad to its designated location. Once all thermal pads are in place, remove the protective film. Apply thermal paste to the GPU die. Remove the power connector shield from the water block. Carefully align the PCB with the water block and lower it into position.
Install the spring retention bracket and tighten the screws only partially at this stage.
Secure the PCB using the remaining screws.
Gradually tighten the spring retention bracket using the cross pattern to ensure even pressure.
Reinstall the power connector shield.
Remove the PCB screws. This ensures that all mounting holes are properly aligned for backplate installation.
Apply the thermal pads to the back side of the PCB where indicated. Apply thermal paste to the required components. Position the backplate and install it onto the assembly. Secure the standoff. The H200 GPU is now fully assembled and ready for installation into your server. Thank you for watching.